Hi, I'm Lino, and this is DevStation. This is what I've been building, and this is my submission for Colossium Eternal Hackathon. The short version of what DevStation is it's one developer console, and it now works across 5 different ecosystems, including Solana. So let's start with the problem because this is really where the whole project came from. Building on Solana still feels like starting from zero every time. You need Rust and Anchor set up locally. You are wiring up the wallet and cluster connection from scratch, and once you actually send a transaction, within what it did is its own project because raw instructions and account logs aren't exactly readable, and if you are also building on EVM chains, you are maintaining two completely separate workflows just to ship in both places. So the solution is pretty direct. Bring the whole workflow into one console and make it work the same way no matter which chain you are targeting. Write a program, deploy it, initialize it, inspect what actually happened on chain, give it a readable label, all in the browser, nothing to install. It runs right alongside the 4 EVM chains DevStation already supports. This slide is honestly the one I care about most. A whole lot of tools call themselves multi-chain, but they are really just means a few EVM chains because those all share the same vision machine and language. Solana doesn't share any of that. It's a completely different execution model. So supporting it properly wasn't a config tweak. It was building a second product underneath the same interface. Zooming out, the station is built around 4 pillars, and all 4 of them now work on Solana. Launchkit for one-click deploys, Code with AI for generating and shipping programs from a description, Routebook for decoding transactions, and Explorer for browsing the chain itself. LaunchKit is the first part in picking a template. Fill out a short guided form instead of hand editing an IDL. Deploy it to the cluster you've selected and then initialize the program right after. The same one-click fill as Solana Playground, just sitting inside the bigger console. Code AI has two modes. Chat mode is exactly what it sounds like. Describe the program you want, get back real source code. You can deploy straight in the code editor. The agent mode goes further. It generates the program, builds it, fixes its own errors if something fails, and then deploys it with your connected wallet all on its own. Routebook and Explorer are the transparency half of the story. Routebook takes every and any Solana transaction signature and turns it into an actual readable route. Which program called, what accounts were touched, what token moved. Explorer is the same idea at the chain level, the same interface I used for the EVM chains, just now pointed at Solana. On the wallet side, there is now new there is nothing new to learn. Connect Phantom, Soulflare or MetaMask, or spin up an in-app DevStation wallet that natively supports Solana. Is best for DevNet and testnet, and the connection carries across the same wallet that deploy something on EVM chain can turn around and deploy on Solana too. This one matters a lot to me, the trust infrastructure. On the EVM side, every chain, every deployment, and every label gets recorded on chain in a dedicated registry, not some private database I control. That same approach now covers Solana, so activity there is just as easy to verify independently. For how it works, so end to end, it's 4 steps. Connect a wallet and pick Solana, build a program, deploy and initialize it, and then inspect exactly what happened. That's the whole loop. And this isn't a concept anymore. It's live right now. You can go to devstation.online, connect to Solana wallet and try it yourself. The code's public on GitHub too. I'll front. Development is active, so the live app is sometimes a little bit ahead of what's documented in the repository. But everything I'm showing you is real and running. Looking ahead, I want to deepen the Solana template catalog to match what's exactly already on the EVM side. Keep sharpening how well the AI understands Solana specific patterns, and keep growing this as one community that doesn't have to think about which chain they are on. That's DevStation, one console, every chain, now including Solana. Thanks for watching, and I love to hear what you think.